In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot ShareChat app. If you're facing any issues with this chat app, maybe you can't use the app, some features are not working, it is crashing or it is too slow, then let me show you how you can fix this, or even if it is crashing. By just following any of these steps, now you should be able to fix your app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this app. First, we need to access the app info page by just going to settings, and from settings look for apps and then manage apps or all apps depending on your smartphone, and here search for your app by name, and you can see ShareChat is here. Now at this point, first force stop the app. This will stop any background activities, and finally go to clear data and then clear cache and OK. Once this is done, you will need to restart your smartphone and open your app. In most cases, this should fix your problem. However, if this does not fix your problem, then you want to check if we have an update for the app through Google Play Store. So I'll go to Play Store and search for your app. If there is any update, update it to the latest version. If your app still crashes, for that it means your app contains bugs, and to fix that you'll need to uninstall your ShareChat app and then install it afresh. So by following these steps, your app should be up and running without any issue. So that's how you can fix any error or issues with ShareChat app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.